Hi everyone, Anshita this side. Welcome back to AB Automation Hub. In today's video, we are going to see the common difference between list and tuple. This is also one of the famous interview questions. So let's get started. Let's understand the difference between list and tuple in a very simple and clear way. So the first feature where list and tuple differ is the syntax. Lists are created using the square bracket like this, whereas for tuple you need to use parentheses like this. Next one is the mutability. Lists are mutable. That means you can change, you can add, or you can remove elements even after the creation of list. Whereas tuple, tuple is immutable. That means once this is created, you cannot modify them. Moving on to the next feature, which is performance and memory usage. Tuples are slightly faster and take up less memory as compared to the list. This is because they are simple and they do not allow the changes after the creation. Next one is the methods available for list and tuple. List comes with many methods like append, insert, pop, clear, whereas tuple it has limited method like count and index. This is because tuples are not meant to be modified. That's why there is no insert, there is no append, there is no remove. There is count and index. Like we have mentioned earlier, list can be modified, whereas tuple, it cannot be modified. In case you try to modify a tuple, it will throw an error. And now let's understand when you should use which one. Use list when you expect the data to be changed, and use tuples when your data should stay fixed, like days of the week, month, or even coordinates. Right? When you have a fixed data, in that case, you should use tuple. Now let's see example for this. So this is my VS Code editor, and here what I will do, I will create a list first. So for creating a list, like I said, we have to use square brackets. For example, like this. Whereas for the tuple, you have to use the parenthesis, which is like this. Next one, we talked about the mutability. So lists are mutable. That means list can be changed. For example, if I try to update the value of index 1 over here, so let's say I'm assigning a new value here. So this can be done in Python. In case after this one, if I print the list one and if I run it, you see, this is printing the new modified list, which is 1, 5, and 3. But in case of tuple, tuple is not mutable. That means you cannot modify or change once this is created. For example, if we try to change over here, run it, it will throw an error. So you see this one? This is throwing error at line number 7. Why? Because tuple does not support item assignment. Why? Because this is immutable. Now let's see the memory usage for both tuple and list. Like I explained before, list use more memory as compared to tuple. So I'm talking about how much RAM is occupied when you create a list or when you create a tuple. So you can measure it in Python using sys.getsizeof function, which is this one. In order to do this, we have to import sys first. So I'll write over here import, and now I'm going to print the memory size for both list and tuple. So let's print over here, print. I will just write a message here, memory used by list, and for that, like I said, I'm using this function, which is sys.getsizeof. And for the function, we need to pass. Same thing I will use for tuple also. So memory used by tuple, and in this case, I'm going to pass my tuple here. So this is my tuple. So now if we run this one, we will see the memory which is used by list as by the tuple. So let's run this one. So you see over here, memory used by list is 88 bytes, whereas used by tuple, it is 64. So here practically you can see the memory usage by both, which is tuple and list. So this will show you the memory, how many bytes each object is using in the memory. This is because lists have extra overhead to support dynamic changes like insertion, deletion, whereas tuples, it is fixed in size and simple internally. So lists need extra space to allow adding or removing items, whereas tuples are fixed size, so no dynamic resizing. That's why they are light. Hope you understood the difference between list and tuple. Lists are heavier, list is mutable, whereas tuple is lighter and faster, and it is immutable. And in case you want to print the memory size, you can always check it using this function, which is sys.getsizeof. All right, that was a simple breakdown of list versus tuple. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching AB Automation Hub.